Hello guys, today I am gonna be showing you how to play Animal Company. So right now, guys, if you're new, just follow my tricks if you're new. Animal Company is a great update this week. That's a gift update. But show load world. You don't have any legs in Animal Company. You don't have any legs with Animal Company, but you get in like this. Mostly if you're poor and you guys. Yo, what's up? What's up? I'm on your bike. First. We'll see how this little wiggy backpack and this.
I saw that dude. I saw him. I saw him come with the RPGGG.
RBGGG.
My brother thought he was coming past. Nah, my brother's dead.
You. Please help me. Please help me. Help me with the giant, please.
I don't like the giant. He's ugly. He's fat. He's stinky. Who's
Exactly. That's why I need your help.
Yeah, no thanks, sir. Piss off.
Yo, guys, red's right now.
Kindly piss off.
Lady girl, what the hell? I just wanna.
Huh, bro, why is he such a good
weapon.
machine?
So guys, this
I'm
is how
using
you
a
make.
new weapon.
How are you guys still here? You're us dead?
It says red is right next to me, but I don't see him. Yo,
I thought you were dead.
come quick,
We
bro.
all thought you were nearly dead.
And plus, go on channel 6.
What's that word?
Go on channel 6.
I'm still alive. You.
I thought you were. I thought you left.
What just happened?
Trust me. I was in mines the whole time.
You, can you hold this? Orange, can you hold this?
I'm not orange.
Hope to get this.
I'm gonna call you Orange, because look at your outfit. It's
This
orange.
pickaxe.
Can you hold it?
And
But
let's
I'm gold.
Alright, gold,
take
can
this
you
for
hold
the
this?
side.
Thank you.
Why put it in your hand if you don't have a hit song?
You just
Bro,
sold
me.
And also one that you have to put the VR on just to get your items. But I'm an expert, so I am good. Okay, here's the basic. Turn on your lights. I have a hip slot. You see this little guy right here, right? Like right here. Do not ever try to approach him with your light. So close the light. See about this your items can be spread down. For 1 minute. Okay, guys. You can join my Discord link below on the YouTube Discord. So, when you kill him, you just want to jump here, and here, here. You see those little backpack cubes? Yeah, we're gonna go get them. Because they're very expensive, and they're very valuable. Let's be careful. Just get up here. Here. Ouch, ouch, ouch. You can die on the lava. So make sure you're careful. Guys. Be careful every time. Sometimes they spot quick. Yo, Angler! What? You see? They killed me this fast. They can't kill me that fast.
One of
No.
little monsters. Do you have one of these?
Do this.
You get
I
it.
do.
Go to the hill swap.
It's now your pet.
So if you don't know,
Take
you
it.
can get this backpack.
Take it.
If you don't
I
have
do.
it,
Wait a minute, I'm going to see
You
what I
can't put
put
it in
in there.
inventory so I can
and
put it in
I
my...
have one.
No! What the hell?
pass it by.
What the... Are you serious? Pikachu! Do you want to trade?
Yeah.
Yeah. I recommend
I'm coming back and I'm bringing my old self
every
back to
time.
life.
You can't put the
Because
baby.
It's in my inventory.
You can't put
I'm
it in my
gonna give this whole
inventory.
bag full of goops.
sometimes
Deal. Okay,
You-
deal. Drop yours.
fail out
I'm
to
coming in.
shoot it up and just bring
Not
yourself
here.
back.
I'm scared.
But then
Who
if
wants to
you're
go adventuring?
over here,
I'm
you
the
have
cat.
this.
enough butts in this game.
Please remember to join the party.
JJIIU.
I didn't die somehow.
No, fuck.
If you don't
JJII.
have this is what you
JJII.
know how many?
You.
Come here.
You.
Let's
Now
see your
go in.
money. First
Killed the blue.
first way to make
But
money.
you're bullying me.
I just killed the blue over here, bro. I got it.
Then the size of these backpacks. You don't need the light source for this. All you need is 8. This. Like.
Try and talk now, huh?
So first.
What?
So
I'm
first,
coming back.
guys, we will go here. Watch out the
But it might be.
because he's very dangerous. He can kill you one shot with a rock, guys. So I recommend the.
I'm getting closer, don't worry.
You just a little chicken. Getting close to him. If you try to attack anybody out there, have this. Bring it very fast and you can kill him. Baseball bat. Baseball bats are easy to use. That's all of you want.
Shall rise from the depth.
And
Give me a sec. Okay, I shall rise from the
you can
depth.
get me in any time. Bro, I might be healed.
Wrong
So
shot.
close. Dude.
Yo, where are you?
So,
Yo,